guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can unlock Dojo Admin in Brain Rot Evolution. Basically, you're just going to defeat some brain rots here and you'll get tickets for the arcade event. Then there is a demon crate in which you can win like rare brain rots. However, you do need 22 million arcade like coins, I guess. But yeah, that's unfortunately the only way to right now, as of now, to get chests, to get the exclusive brain rot. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.